Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about 10 weird hotel in world. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The number one in our list is Jumbo Stay, located in Sweden. Ever wanted to spend the night in the cockpit of a real converted jumbo jet on the ground? Here's your chance. The plane is a used out jumbo jet model 747-212B from 1976, which was originally built for Singapore Airlines and later served with the legendary Pan Am. It has been awarded a brand new modern interior decoration, offering guests a memorable overnight experience. It's an exciting budget hotel for aviations and family with children, but also caters to business people since it's located at the entrance to Ireland Airport. Second hotel is Giraffe Manor, located in Kenya. The exclusive boutique hotel Giraffe Manor is located in one of the Nairobi's most iconic buildings, and its timeless elegance recalls the 1930s when Europeans first flocked to East Africa to enjoy safaris. With its stately facade, elegant interior, vibrant green gardens, and delightful courtyards, guests often remark that it's like walking into the film out of Africa. However, the most fascinating thing about this unusual hotel is its herd of residents, Rothschild giraffe, who visit morning and evening, poking their long neck into the window in the hope of a treat before retreating to their forest sanctuary. Hotel is Tree Hotel, located in Sweden. Why not create a hotel that gives people a chance to experience nature amongst the treetops while also providing a uniquely designed housing experience? This questions leading architects to create Tree Hotel in Harrods, where rooms are suspended 4 to 6 meters, that is 13 to 20 feet above the ground, with spectacular view of the Yule River Valley, miles of forest, and a powerful river. The Mirror Cube is the hotel's most exciting accommodation, camouflaged by the mirror wall that reflect the surroundings. Tree Hotel was inspired by the film The Tree Lover by Jonas Selberg Augustin. The hotel is Sun Cruise Resort, located in South Korea. It is located on a coastal cliff in Longdongjin. Sorry if I have pronounced it wrong. A tourist destination known for having the best view of the sunrise in South Korea. Sun Cruise Resort is one of the country's biggest tourist destinations. The hotel is a specially designed cruise ship on land. It is constructed high on the edge of a mountain so that the stroll on the sun deck allows its guests to feel they are out at sea without suffering from motion sickness. Sun Cruise Resort features 211 rooms, a Westin and a Korean restaurant, revolving sky lodge, a nightclub, and a seawater pool. So the next hotel in our list is Palacio de Sal, located in Bolivia. It is located in the bank of the majestic Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, just 25 km from the city of the same name. You will find the Palacio del Sal Hotel unique in its class for being entirely built with salt. Walls, floors, ceilings, furniture, sculptures, everything. The hotel was created in 1998 by the World Initiative of an Hidalgo man, John Quesada Valda, pioneer in the salt hotel worldwide. With a unique and sui generis architecture, the hotel provides its visitors a place to find a balance with nature and enjoy pleasant and unforgettable rest. Now the next hotel is Costa Verde, Costa Rica. Costa Verde is located on a coastal rainforest bluff nestled between the lush green of Manuel Antonio National Park and the incredible blue of the Pacific Ocean. The resort is home to one of the world's most unusual hotel suites, a refurbished Boeing 727 airframe that is built in 1965, which in its prior life shuttled Globetrotters on South Africa Air and Avianca Airlines. This fully outfitted, meticulously detailed two-bedroom Boeing 727 fuselage suite jet out from the jungle canopy, affording you a view that will make you feel like you're flying. So the next hotel in our list is Conrad Rangali Island, located in Maldives. This island welcomes guests to dive into an extraordinary experience both above and below the surface of the Indian Ocean in the world's first underwater hotel villa called the Muraka. This villa is a triumph of modern design and technology, delivering a truly transformative journey suit to amaze the most sophisticated explorer across the globe. Located more than 60 feet below sea level in the middle of the Indian Ocean with glass wall, the Muraka is a two-level aquarium where you can fall asleep to fish swimming overhead and walk up to the swaying arm of coral. To know more about this hotel, check their hotel website, that is Conrad Maldives Rangali Island.com. So the next hotel is Ice Hotel, Sweden. Ice Hotel is the world's first hotel made up of ice and snow, obviously as its name suggests. Founded in 1989, it is reborn in a new twist every winter. In the Sweden village of Jukkasjärvi, 200 kilometers north of the Arctic Circle, the hotel has around 150 warm and cold rooms respectively. The latter have an ice decor and a bed made up of ice bedding covered with reindeer hides. The hotel also includes an ice church, ice bar, ice sculpting studio, and pillar hall, in addition to two heated restaurants, lounge, four meeting room, and two wilderness camps. Next hotel is Norman's Fort, located in UK. Built as a line of defense against enemy attack on the Solent and Portsmouth, Norman's Fort is the largest of three spectacular man-made forts that form the collective Solent Forts in Portsmouth. From the moment you catch a glimpse of the impressive Norman's Fort on the horizon, as your private boat makes its approach, it's impossible to feel anything short of excited. Boasting 22 luxurious rooms and suites, the real draw of its outstanding but unusual hotel is the vast and varied nature of the facilities and activities on offer. Note the list hotel in our list is Hotel Marqués de Riscal, located in Spain. Since its unveilings in 2006, this masterpiece hotel created by Frank Gehry has become a highly sought after contemporary luxury retreat. Designs, art, gastronomy, wines, and the landscape all combine to create a memorable sojourn among medieval town in El Siogo. The hotel's luxurious interiors bears the unmistakable stamp of Gehry design. Tilted walls, zigzag windows, cathedral high ceilings, and the host of bespoke details create the impression of accommodation as a work of art in its 43 rooms and suites.